The Petroleum Dealers Association of Meghalaya yesterday clarified on the issue of ethanol blended petrol. Pdam President Kennedy Karim said that in February 2022, the government has introduced blending of ethanol and petrol under the ethanol blended petrol program with the multiple objectives including reducing import dependence, saving in foreign exchange, providing boosts to the domestic agricultural sector, and for environmental benefits.
Premium fuel, normal, the Government of India, through the Ministry of Petroleum and Natural Gas, has introduced 10% ethanol blended petrol. There is one program we call EBP, Ethanol Blended Program. In this program, the Government of India has introduced 10% ethanol added with the petrol. There are advantages and disadvantages. The advantage is that this is a chemical, it is we call it biofuel. So a petrol mixed with ethanol, the smoke emission is less. That means the carbon dioxide is less. But ethanol absorbs water.